Handling a voice call in Twilio Flex. As an agent logged into Flex, I can change my current availability status. I can also see if other members of my team are currently logged on, or if any interactions are waiting to be handled. When a call comes in, it appears on my task list ready for me to accept it. If this is a known customer, then information about them can be pulled through from their segment profile and displayed on the right-hand side. For example, I can see the customer's name, contact information, and also highlights about their recent interactions with the business. Specific information can also be displayed down the side depending on what is most relevant to the use case you're currently trying to handle. At the end of the call, Agent Copilot is able to go and review the conversation as it happened and then generate a summary. This can be used for reporting and quality assurance. A sentiment is also assessed to determine whether or not the customer was happy with the call, disappointed, or if they were neutral. As soon as the call is completed, those details are logged into the system for reference later, and the customer is ready to accept the next interaction.